Hey guys, so really massive day for base meme coins, and why I am saying this is because here you can see Coinbase just added an asset to its roadmap, which means that this will be listed on Coinbase. This is a TOSHI, one of the biggest meme coins on Base Network. Base Network is basically a blockchain funded by Coinbase itself. That's why really huge. I actually talked about these meme coins. Here you can see TOSHI. Also, DOGINME most likely will be listed. DOGINME is already listed. BENJI, I think, will be listed, and TYBG. So I talked about these on November 21st, basically 2 months ago. And now everything is starting to pump, which is insane. And if you want to get early to these calls, because I'm posting on my Patreon before on YouTube, and you can also see what videos I will be posting before I post them on my Patreon. Only $10 a month. Now, you can see the top crypto gainers and losers. TOSHI is the biggest gainer because obviously Coinbase just added to its list and will be listing on the Coinbase later. And if we are looking at top base meme coins, you can see everything is pumping. Baby Tiger, Brian Armstrong, this is old meme on basically base meme coins. DOGINME pumping, this will be huge because this will most likely be listed. Why? Because Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, talked about DOGINME. Now let's see the meme coins that I want to talk about. Mr. Miggles, $56 million. Quite small market cap, looking at the fact that there are billion, 8 billion, $15 billion meme coins. There are many $1 billion meme coins on Base. I mean on Solana. That's why Base is heavily undervalued. Next one is Keyboard Cat. Quite popular. It was popular back a few months ago. As you can see here, it went to like 0.014. So this upside is still really huge. Basically possibility that it will go back to these prices because if they will be listed on Coinbase, they'll most likely pump as crazy. Next one is DOGINME. By the way, look at the market caps, so low, 24 million, not even $100 million. But you can see the pumping has been already starting. And why I want to talk about DOGINME is because Brian Armstrong himself actually posted DOGINME on his Twitter X account. He replied with the meme, which basically symbolizes DOGINME. Jesse Pollack is talking about DOGINME. That's why this has a huge opportunity to be listed on Coinbase. Next one is BENJI. Really huge community, old school base meme coin. Price went quite high, but it has been going back down. That's why huge opportunity for me personally to buy in. Higher, this is quite popular, and you can see the market cap is so low, 13 million. Now Base God, I think will be listed most definitely because Jesse Pollack shaved his head because of this meme. He has been talking like 6 different podcasts about this meme, Base God token. He said one of his friends created this and he loves the community, everything. So I'm really bullish on Base God. DOGINME. What else? BENJI. Now next one is Anon. What is huge? Again, market cap low. Vitalik himself bought this crypto because they have an app and you have to buy a specific amount to be able to use the app of Anon. So keep your eyes on Anon. This is not a meme coin, but still low market cap. Vitalik bought it. Vitalik doesn't buy tokens like at all, and he bought this to get access. So this will be huge in my opinion. Next one is Chump Coin. This has pumped quite a lot in the last few hours. You can see, and hasn't dumped back down. That's why again market cap 7 million. This is insanely low. You can see all-time highs basically 10x from now. So maybe this goes back to 70 million if it's listed. And the last one is Normie. This is the smallest market cap of the list of the coins I have listed here. But this basically, I don't know about this coin because you can see this price action really weird. And I don't know if they have been active on X, on Twitter. That's why do your own research on all of these coins. Look if how they have been active as the community, what they think. This has a huge upside if it gets listed. You can see all-time high 0.14. That is like 30x from now, I think, if my math is mathing. That's why, again, do your own research. And again, I am making videos about these coins months before they actually start pumping, because I'm doing my research. And if you want to get the research early, again, join my Patreon, only $10 a month, but you will get so much alpha. I'm trying to post multiple times a day. It's not just one post a day, multiple posts a day from all the Twitter, X, all the research I do. I am on private Discord, Telegram groups that cost thousands of dollars for you to get in. That's why I am posting all the alpha as soon as possible on my Patreon. And I am also posting the updates on what videos I will be creating. That's why you can get even the inside knowledge of what I will be posting, and you can buy beforehand or not buy, whatever you want. But I'm posting first on my Patreon, only then on YouTube. But still, if you have been following me, you would understand that DOGINME, TYBG basically were so bullish because the founders of Coinbase have been talking about these two specifically. BENJI is OG, TOSHI is one of the biggest meme coins, DOGINME. That's why, again, really huge news, and congrats everyone that bought early. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you'll get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.